Recently, there is a panic that AI is threatening our job. From writing email to writing blog, and from generating images to writing computer codes. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate audio from text. This means that the job of voiceover artists are also threatened. If you would like to learn how to generate audio from text using a free tool, come closer, let's do this. My name is Pat Ugu. If this is the first time you are seeing my video, please like it so that YouTube will share it with so many other people. For us to do this, I will open my Google. From Google, I will just type TTS open. This will take us to the website of OpenAI, or you can just simply enter the URL from here. I have copied the URL and I just entered it. I will put the link in the description box below. Then after that, the OpenTTS will open. It will show us this interface. So once you get to this platform, you will see a test area to enter your test. So from this place, you will have the opportunity to choose different voices that are available for you to use. You can narrow it down by changing the gender. Maybe you want a male voice or female voice. You can also decide the age bracket you want, whether it is young, middle-aged, or old. So you choose any one. You can as well come to this area to choose the accent. For example, if you want American accent, British accent, Indian accent, Chinese, Hindi, Mexican, and the rest of them, there are a lot of accents here you can choose from, except that there is no African accent here. Okay, I will not blame them. Maybe Africans should build their own software. Then after that, you now choose your voice. But before I choose my voice, let me first of all bring in my text. So I have just copied a text. Let me paste it here. So this is the text I have here. For OpenTTS to read this text for me, what I will do is to choose any of these voice. For example, let me just choose this first one. After choosing your voice, you choose the speed rate of the voice. Then also you choose the quality. Okay, let me leave both of them the way they are. Then the next thing is for me to click on this create speech. Once I do that, it will start to create. As you can see, it says, please wait. It just finished the verification from Cloudflare. It's now generating our speech and boom, our speech is ready. Let us play it and see how it sounds. Remember, it will read this test. So I'll click on this.
With a solid background in computer science, Pat has immersed himself in the realm of technology trends and their practical applications.
Wow, how do you see that? It sounds naturally as if it is human. Okay, let's try another one. This time, let me use echo. I'll just click on it and then click on create speech. Also wait for it to finish the verification, then generating our speech. Once that is done, you will see our speech here. So let's play it again.
With a solid background in computer science, Pat has immersed himself in the realm of technology trends and their practical applications. His expertise has significantly impacted.
This is how to generate audio using text. You can use this thing to do so many things like adverts, storytelling, and a whole lot of things. Just get creative and there are different ways you can apply it. And finally, if you have a paid plan, you can use your own voice. Instead of using any of these voice listed here, you can use your own voice. To do this, all you need to do is to click on this My Voice button. Then from here, you create a new voice. So you can see I don't have a plan. I am only using free plan. Whereas you need a premium plan so that you'll be able to use my voice. That is your own voice. Just that it will cost you $8. Let me know in the comment section what you think about text-to-speech OpenAI tool. Or do you consider any other text-to-speech tool better than this one? I have another video about Clipchamp text-to-speech tool. The video is popping up now. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until next time, keep learning.